Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Venki. Today we'll start with a new series called Python, where you can become zero to hero or master the Python language. And Python is widely useful for data science and you can use anywhere. So before going to start with Python, if you are learning any language, so basic thing is we'll start with hello, all right? So here I'm also starting with hello world. So here you can see we use print statement. This is the basic thing in any programming language, and in Python also. If you want to print any thing on console, that is output, so we'll use print statement here. So here you can see hello world. In print statement we have some parameters. These are the parameters, and these are the not mandatory parameters, where you, if you miss any parameters, sometimes it will give error for a particular function. But here in case of Python, it is not mandatory. So here we have five parameters. One is values, separator, and end, and file, where you want to store the output of the some print output. So you can store in file too, not on console. If you want to store in any file format, so you can use mention that file. And flush is like if you want to delete, it will if you turn on this, it will take as true or false. If you turn like true, if you give true, then it will flush the output. So for this I will explain each and everything, each and every parameter. So I already explained about values, like you can take 1 2 3 as a values, and you can see here 1 2 3 is the in output. So like similarly I will use separator. Here you can see hello, this is one element, and world as another element, hello world. And this hello world, welcome to Code with Venki. So I'm using separator as here. Separator will run and see. This separator will put that apostrophe between world, hello, and world and welcome, everything in between these words. We'll see here, you can see hello, and this one, this is the expected output for what we written in print statement. And this is we'll use this five. We don't use this five parameters. Like if you need, it depends on the requirement, how you want. So like that you can use where you want. Okay, so this is the separator and print statement, right? If you take like of one print is there now, if you take another print, this is second is by, you can say. And you can say here it is written in another line, right? If you take here end is equal to some space, then here you can see by is uh, comes after the first print statement. Like it will decide whether you want to print another statement which is next to this print statement, that should be printed on new line, or beside this, or if you want to add something like star. Here you can see we get star here after ending of this print statement. So like this you can use end. And also here you can take any data type, like you can print any data type. It is not particular to homogeneous, it is heterogeneous type. So if you take 1 2 3 comma and string, this is string, right? String. So it will take without any errors and it will print. Here you can see 1 2 3 hello, right? So till now we discussed about values, separator, end, and we will go to files here. So for files I will explain in future videos about how to handle the files and errors. uh, so simply I'm writing one query on opening the file and storing the input in the file. So this is the syntax to open a file. With open, I'm writing this as output dot text file. Okay, so we need to mention whether we want to read, write. We have some particular things here. You can see mode of accessing the files: read plus read. These all different types, what you want to do with file. Okay, I will explain in further videos. As of now, just focus on print statement. Here you can see print hello world, welcome to code with Venki. So this is the matter I want to insert into the particular file, that is output.txt. And here how can we write this into file? I'm taking this output.txt as f here, so I will put file is equal to f. And if I execute this, here you can see it is not printed on console. Before that it printed on console, right? That is terminal. So here it separately created the file, that is if the file existing it will append. So if file is not exist, it will create a file with a given name, that is output.txt. And here you can see we wrote hello world, welcome to code with Venki, right? So here you can see hello world, welcome to code with Venki. This is another type where it depends on how you use the print function. Okay, there are plenty of functions like this in Python where it is a built-in function. So we have another thing, like we can use f printf functions. Like I will show you. I'm taking name as Winky and age as 18. So if I want to print like dynamically, if you take names, and if you want to take values and store in some variables and you want to use that variables, like if here you can use print f. So my name is, here you will use flower brackets, and will need to put variables what you want to print along with the my name, that is string. So I want to print my name is, and my name I want to print like Venki here. And also I am I want to print my age here, so I will take age variable years old. Okay, so here we should get output as my name is Venki and I'm 18 years old. Okay, we'll run this and see the output. Here you can see my name is Venki and I am 18 years old.